In this video, I'll show you how to find wallet address on Binance. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So essentially, I'm showing you the 4 steps to find your Binance wallet address. Do make sure you watch this video right until the end as well, as I'm showing you important steps throughout the whole video. And just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, nor is this video financial or investment advice. Please do your own research. And without any further ado, let's go and get into this video. So as you can see, I'm now on Binance, but this tutorial will also work on a mobile device as well, but I'm just doing it on the desktop version just so everything is clear. So of course, the first thing before we can go and see our wallet is to go and log in. So go to the top row, it says log in, or register if you haven't already got an account. So once you're logged in and you're on the homepage, it will look something like this, but you don't have to start this tutorial from the homepage. So the next thing you want to do is go to the top right where it says wallet, and then all you want to do is go and click on overview. And then it's going to take a minute to load, and once you're on overview, then once you're here, all you want to do is go to the top left where it says deposit. Now deposit is going to give you your crypto address, but do keep watching, I'm showing you a few more important steps. Then all you want to do is go and click on crypto deposit as we're trying to find our crypto address, and then it's going to give us every single coin on Coinbase which we can go and deposit. So if you're trying to put some Bitcoin on your Binance account, then all you want to do is click Bitcoin, and then it's going to go and make you select the network. So make sure you select the correct network for what I'm doing. So I'll just use the Bitcoin network. And then it's going to go and give you the address, and that's literally it, guys. Then you can copy it, and that is your address for your account. So say if you've got some crypto or Bitcoin on Coinbase, you then go and paste this in on Coinbase and send it to this address, and then you're going to have that Bitcoin in your Binance account. But just remember, make sure you do copy this address exactly and just verify it, because you can easily lose money if you're not careful. But guys, that is today's video. If you found it useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Leave a like for more just like this. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.